Hi, good evening, everyone. And today we are here in orientation session. This is a Microsoft program, and my name is Anjali. I'm a program manager. And today I have with me technical lead Shahbaz Ahmad Ali. Shahbaz, sir, if you want to say hi, hello to the students, then you can.
Hi students, hello everyone. I'm really glad all of you have joined. Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Welcome to the Microsoft AI National Skills Initiative brought to you by Microsoft and EduNet Foundation. Before we start briefing about this internship, let's see who we are and why us. So, EduNet Foundation is a non-profit organization established in 2015 and registered under Sections 12AA and ATG of the Income Tax Act. Our work focuses majorly on education and skilling, especially for students and young people from underserved backgrounds. So, what we do? We run programs in schools, colleges, vocational institutes, and even for learners outside formal education. Our focus is on technology based education and skilling that leads to better job opportunities in tech enabled roles. Most of our learners come from tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and many belong to economy weaker sections. We are also help implement CSR programs for companies like IBM, Microsoft, SAP, Vodafone, EY, LTI Mindtree, TCS, and many more. If we talk about our impact, so we have directly impacted over 6.5 lakh learners since 2018. We have a strong network of academic and government partners. We have been Great Place to Work certified 4 years in a row. In 2020, we are granted special consultative status by the United Nations ECOSOC. Why us? Why EduNet Foundation? We bring years of experience in content creation, capacity building, and program delivery, whether it's building skills, preparing for careers, or supporting digital inclusion. We are here to make it happen. This AI Skilling initiative is designed to equip learners like you with AI skills through interactive training. And over the next 4 weeks, you are going to dive into an exciting learning experience that will not only teach you about artificial intelligence and a basic Azure, but also give you a little bit on hands-on project exposure as well. So, what we are going to offer? AI sessions by experts. You will learn directly from professionals working in the AI field. We have curated Microsoft AI courses. You will get access to quality courses designed by Microsoft only to build strong AI skills. We have industry webinars for you. We'll host online sessions with industry leaders to give you real world insights. This internship is a totally free of cost internship. You don't have to pay a single penny for it. You will get Microsoft achievements and credentials. So once you complete all the courses, then you will earn achievements and badges from Microsoft that you can add to your resumes. Now what you are going to learn in this journey: AI and ML basics. We will start with the fundamentals of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Some AI integration. You will learn how AI is being used across different industries and everyday tools. Gen AI and Copilot. So we will explore new AI tools as well, like Microsoft Copilot, and how they can help create content as well. And you have to work on projects and apply what you learn, and these will be your individual project. Now, the internship briefing and what we are going to deliver as a topic, sir will brief you.
So basically, this internship is majorly the learning on artificial intelligence in Azure. So we will be making sure that all of our students will understand from what is artificial intelligence, how we can utilize it, and from the basics and of Azure, we will be understanding about Azure, Gen AI, and other major concepts over here. In this internship, the major thing that what we will be giving, we'll be assorting you some assessment works where you have to complete all your assessments and you have to submit it as well. And we'll be also requesting students to be completing a project individually, and you have to present your project in the last as well. So these are the major agendas, particularly in this internship. Coming to the 4 weeks internship, right? So let us talk about all the week-wise schedule in the next slide. So particularly in week one, which is today, we'll be talking about the orientation, about what is going to happen, what we are going to learn, all the other things over today, right? So from week two, we will be having a session on 15, 16, and 17. The timing has already been given to you, which is from 5 to 7, right? The sessions from 15 will be like mentor-led sessions. These are not recorded sessions. This will be a mentor-led sessions where our mentors will come and deliver you the sessions, right? I hope my voice is clear to everyone. Yes, students, can you hear me good? Yeah, thank you. So these are mentor-led sessions, particularly for everyone, where we will be starting understanding about our LMS portal, and we'll be starting by understanding about what is AI, ML, deep learning. We'll be understanding the real-time applications of artificial intelligence, Gen AI models. We'll be working on practicals in Azure. We'll be working on computer vision. We'll be making sure that we show you the practical demos, how to do your projects as well. And students will also work on machine learning models like supervised learning, unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, we'll be talking about classifications. We'll be doing the hands-on particularly with you. So majorly what we are expecting is when we are giving you any assessments, we request students to be doing it as well. If you have any questions, we have also have sessions for Ask Us Anything sessions also available. On Saturdays and Fridays, we have conducted these sessions where you can ask us the questions particularly in that time, and we'll be answering you with the things on that, right? Uh, so we have like, on 19th, we have these sessions, 25th, we have our sessions, we have on 2nd May. If you have any questions, any queries on projects or on the program, you have anything you can ask us particularly on that. Not only this, in week three, we'll be working on, supervised and unsupervised learning. We'll be doing the hands-on, experiments on it as well. On week four, we will be working on neural networks and deep learning models. We'll be doing uh, practicals on it. And after week four, we will be asking you to submit Ask Us Anything sessions, AMA, right? Sessions, you can do it, right? And you have to submit a project once it is already done, particularly for you. So the major thing that what we are expecting from you is the projects as well and the assessments. These are Q&A sessions, particularly AMA sessions are nothing but Q&A sessions where you can ask us questions, particularly if you have any queries or anything. Okay. Yes, this is particularly for 1 month program that what we are trying to look forward to, right? And after this, you students have to submit a project. Once you submit a project, we will be concluding this part of completing this internship with us, right? Coming to the next slide. So this is the pipeline that what we are expecting from you students. So all the students who had applied on AICT, we have shortlisted the students and we have also created a Telegram group. I hope all of you have already joined over there. From that joining, today is the first day of our orientation, right? Uh, so the Telegram group has already been created, and today is our orientation session where we are coming over, sitting in front of you. And from next week onwards, we will be having our technical sessions, and we will be also giving you LMS platform. In that LMS platform, you will be getting curated content from Microsoft, and you have to complete those assessments, particularly from there as well, right? And once the LMS is done, we will be having project discussions and Q&A sessions. In AMS sessions, particularly, we'll be having this project discussion sessions where every individual students have to submit an AI project. Once you have completed your project, you will be submitting your project in the end of this month. And all the people who had completed all the assessments or had submitted the assessments as well as the project, will get a certification of completion from us, right? So the certification of completion is approved by AICT, right? This is particularly approved by AICT. So these are the major things that what we are expecting you from the internship. Any questions on this, students, right? I hope all of you get the information. Yeah, thank you. Yes. So projects will be on AI. So because that's what we are teaching you them. So you have every student, individual student have to submit their own project, right? So we will be starting all these things from next week onwards, and I would request students to be keeping all these things importantly in your mind, and please start the session on time. And we have our particular timings 5 to 7. All the students were requested to start on time. And yes, attendance is also being noted particularly for every session. We'll be also giving you the attendance form for the sessions as well. Right. So coming to the next slide. So majorly why we are learning these skills. These skills are majorly meant to understand our career opportunities in AI, ML, data science, and cloud computing, right? So we will be majorly looking forward for upcoming trends in the market, and we are learning those trends that we will be available in the market for this career opportunity trends, right? So in this program, we will be understanding industrial applications where AI is being utilized in healthcare, in finance, in retail, in manufacturing as well. We'll be making sure we'll be giving real-time examples for you in this program, particularly when we are doing hands-on practice. If I talk about hands-on, we majorly in this internship will be working on hands-on rather than in the theoretical part, because we want our students to be doing more hands-on work and learn from the hands-on and complete the project. So we will be working on real-time applications, real-time projects, that what we are really looking forward. And this will automatically improve your task, improve your decision making, as well, and enhance your product. Because I hope, because if you do more hands-on work, right, if you are working majorly into the program, if you're understanding the challenges in the real-time market, that will help you understand how to, what decisions you have to make, particularly when you're understanding a program, right? It will also make improvements in your, productivity, as well as uh, you can increase more knowledge onto the advanced technologies that what we are teaching you over here, right? So these are the important things that what you have to keep in mind. And these things are one of the major technical things that what we will be teaching particularly over here. So because, if I talk about Gen AI is one of the major upcoming and upboosting things that what we are talking, right? We are also teaching that particularly over here, right? So these are some, basic to advanced level students can apply. So I had seen this question particularly in the initial of the start. I'm a BBA student. What should I do? Am I eligible for this program or not? So if you can learn, if you can upscale yourself, all the students can work on to this, and you can do it, because we'll be giving you materials where you can learn from yourself as well. We'll be also giving you, live sessions where our experts will come and deliver you sessions. You can learn from that. You can ask questions to our experts. We will be answering your questions and, working on to the things as well. And the major thing is you will be working on hands-on onto the projects that whatever you want to work. You can select any of the topic that what you want to work. You can create your own hands-on projects. If you got stuck somewhere, you can ask questions to our experts, and our experts will answer you onto the things as well, right? So these things are major things that what we are requesting from the students, particularly in this program. And it is not only for that, this is basically, we want the students to be exploring new business opportunities all over the places. Because if you have a problem statement, right, and you can solve the problem statement, those are the new business opportunities that what you can create around, right? So these are the major things that what we are looking forward from the students to be complete. So what kind of projects we should be making, right? So, Raj Singh has asked this question. So it's up to you, students. If you have a problem statement with you, you can work on your problem statement. You can work on any of the problem statement that what you want to do. And, you know, If you don't have a problem statement, we will suggest few of the major upcoming challenges in the market, and you can select your problem statement accordingly, and you can complete it. We are not going to assign any project to individual students. It's up to the students that they can take any of the project and they have to submit the project. We will be sharing some of the problem statements in the market that what you want to look, you can take that as a suggestion, but it's by the end of the day, it's your project that what we want you to be completing and sharing with us. It's majorly all the students should be submitting their projects on AML. That is our major trending technology, what we are asking you to study as well, and what we are expecting you to be submitting as well, right? So these are the things that what you have to keep in mind. And we don't want to restrict any of the students by telling these are the only problem statements that what you have to solve. It's up to the students. You can take any of the problem statement. If you think you have been working on this problem statement from since, you know, from past few days, and you can use that problem statement and resolve it from the knowledge that what we are teaching to you in this internship program as well. It's totally up to you, right? And yes, you have to submit a project in the end of this program. Then only you will get, then only this internship program is totally completed for you. If you're not submitting the program, if you're not submitting the project, that it is not completed particularly for you. And we will be giving you certain guidelines, particularly the end date of the project and everything as well. And every student should be submitting their project before the end deadline, which was given to you. After that, if you are submitting, we won't be considering any of the projects if you submit after that. Okay. Yes, we will be providing you the materials particularly for it, and we will be making sure that you understand from the sessions how to do the project, how to work onto the project and everything. Right? We will be providing you all those information that you can work onto the projects and complete it. So it's up to you students, whatever project you want to solve. Right? As I answered you before, it's up to you. And you have to also complete the assessments which will be given to you in the middle as well, right? So all these things you have to work and you have to complete, right? And I hope I have answered most of your questions, students, right? Going for the next slide. Yes.
So let's go over some important things you'll need to complete this internship and earn your certificate. So, first thing is access to devices and internet. To participate smoothly, students, you all need a basic setup, either a computer or laptop, and even a mobile phone. Which can work in some cases, mobile phone, but it's important that you have a decent internet connection as well, because most of your learnings and sessions and projects what will going to happen online only, right? And operating system, so make sure your system runs on either Windows or Linux, because these are the most compatible for the tools and platforms we will be using, right? And always use an updated browser. Google Chrome or Firefox is preferred. Old browser can stop some content from working properly, so please keep it updated. Also, for practical tasks such as like writing code or something, you will use a text editor. So we suggest using Sublime Text or Anaconda. They are beginner friendly and ideal for coding. The first thing we are doing today is having an orientation session, right? So this will help you to understand the internship flow, the tools, and the support system you all are required. After that, you must register yourself on the LMS, which we will be doing next week. So this that where you will get all the courses and tasks to complete. You will have to attend live sessions with expert mentors who are working in the industry. These sessions are extremely valuable, and your active participation will help you learn real world applications, so please don't miss them. And mark your attendance regularly, because in each of the session, because that's how we can track you and you'll know you are actively participating. In addition to live sessions, you will be given some learning materials online. So must go through this content, complete activities, and finish it as per the timelines shared, because self learning will build your confidence. And yeah, by the end of the internship, you'll work on a small project, and that reflects everything you have learned. This project must be submitted before the deadline, and also you have to work on individually. So be careful, like prepare your project. And certificate, so lastly, yes, you will be going to get the certificate. Of course, it will be AICT approved certificate. For that, you need to, attend all the classes, you need to mark your attendance regularly, and you have to submit the project. So please stay committed. Some important points, so let me walk you through what's coming your way. So we have begun this internship with a virtual orientation, which is today, where we have briefed you everything, all the requirements. So from there, we dive into 4 weeks of learning. During this time, you'll access all the learning materials. You have to attend all the online classes. You can learn from anywhere, anytime. Yeah, so you have got your industry mentors lined up to guide you in live sessions. These are the people who are work in AI every day, who uses AI every day. So they'll help you to understand the real world applications of what you are learning. And finally, your project. So in fourth week, you'll bring everything you have learned together, and you have to submit your project. So
So, okay,
quest-
sorry, so sorry, Anjali. Some of the students were asking some questions, particularly about using Mac. Please, you can use Mac. It's good. Okay, if you want to use Mac, it's okay. If I'm talking about Python compiler, if any compilers that what you are using, you're okay with it, right? But you have to use and you have to complete your projects particularly onto it. Any compiler, let's not discuss about what are the compilers, anything, right? And we request students to be doing the work which was assigning for you, because this is important, particularly for you to complete the things as well, right? You will get all the information what is necessary for you in the upcoming sessions. Okay. Particularly for now, understand the program, how it is starting, how it is being doing. And we will be discussing most of the technical things in the session, which starts from the next. Okay. We'll be discussing you every single thing from there. Okay. So sorry now. Please continue.
So few of the queries we have received. So I have write it down in one more notepad, and I want to clarify. So students, yes, you will receive your offer letter, and this internship is for everyone because we will be teaching you the very basics, so anyone can join in, gain knowledge. And yes, you will receive the certificate. The timings of the sessions will be 4 p.m. onwards, probably for, sorry, 5 p.m. onwards, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And most of the questions are students are asking the question, so will you provide the project topic, or students have to decide? So I guess the students have to decide, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And this internship is eligible for graduates, one student has asked. And if you miss any of the sessions, so students, we will share the recording, and you can refer to it. I hope you are filling your attendance. So let me share with you the attendance form as well.
Attendance form has already been shared in the chat. I request students to be filling the attendance form.
Yes. Please. Students, please carefully fill the attendance form, your name, your gender, your contact number, your email ID, your qualification, name of your institute, your city, state. You have to select your year of degree. Then you need to upload the screenshot, your AICTE student registration ID, which session you have attended. So today we did orientation session. So yeah, these are the very basics you need to fill.
Students, we request you to fill the attendance form at the earliest, right? It is already shared in the chat, right? Now again, ma'am has repeatedly sharing in the chat for you. Please complete it. Your next session will be starting from Tuesday next week, which is on 15th of April, right? So I request all the students to be joining on time, which is at 5 p.m. I request all the students to be joining on time, and we will be doing the process from there. We'll be making sure that we complete everything which was said to you, and we will be sharing all the things from that page. Okay. Yes. 15/4/2025, 5 p.m. We'll be having the next technical session. Thank you, students. Thank you
Thank
for
you for joining today's orientation session, students. See you all next week. You will get all the information on Telegram. So please keep checking the group. Chat is temporarily closed during the session, but it will reopen later during the session next week onwards. Thank you once again and take care. Bye.
bye, everyone.
Thank you, students.
Thank you, students.